What's going on? I'm Scott from Koenig, and before we do this whole thing where I tell you about the ridiculous things that people do to make sure their cars don't get damaged, subscribe! So number one is gonna sound a little bit strange, but I guess I'm guilty of it, and that's we have a car, but we don't use it. I will take my car pretty much anywhere where I don't know that I'm gonna be able to protect it at all costs. So I don't take it to a store. I really don't take it to any place where I'm concerned that I may not have eyes on it at all time. So this kind of depletes how many trips you can take the car on per year. But people do this, and we do this all because we don't trust other people like you that are out there and swinging doors. So number two is the long distance park, and you know exactly who these people are. Usually you see them about 1.5 miles from the front door of the store, and they are parked all the way out there, usually by themselves. And people like us do this because we don't trust people like you with your shopping carts. So I don't know about you, but one of the things that I would do is I would die for my car. I mean, almost most literally. I will throw myself in front of a train as long as you don't hit my car. So number three, this is pretty interesting. You probably have never seen these people's cars because they actually have a different car. That's right, they spend their spare money on another daily so that they don't have to drive their car and they can keep it protected at home. Listen, it may not be the most intuitive thought, but it is an effective method.
You are an unstoppable good idea machine!
So I think as a car person, we all have one of these, and that is the person that never wants to be the driver. Going somewhere, hanging out with people, carpooling, these are all effective methods and usually what you do when you're hanging out with each other. But this person is the one that always wants to make sure that they are riding and never driving. That's how they preserve their car. They make sure that you foot the bill and you have to pick them up. So rounding out the list here are the people that will alter their entire life or schedules to make sure that they're at the lowest risk for possibly doing any damage to their car.
Nope.
Things like leaving work early to make sure that you don't have any traffic around you with rock chips, or making sure that if it snows or the weather's a little rainy that you call in sick from work. I mean, there's people that actually call in sick from work to make sure they don't mess up their car. If these people don't have a work from home job, don't expect to see them on a snowy day. Thanks for coming along with us. We do this ridiculous stuff all the time and we put it up every Friday. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we will catch you on the next one.